Good morning, this is Dennis.Girod with Guaranty RV here in Junction City, Oregon. I have the pleasure of showing you this 2020 Thor Outlaw 29J. I don't know if you're aware, but Thor builds about 6 coaches out of 10 in RVs. A company with great depth and definitely continued to grow. So this is built on the Ford E450, so Ford V10 6-speed. Rotocast storage bays. One of the things you may not notice is right here, that's an outside camera. So this coach has a rear camera and a right and left camera. These side cameras are triggered by bumping the turn signals. So say you're in town, you lose track of somebody, you think they might be over here, you can bump the right turn signal, be looking right back down the side and kind of reassure yourself. Behind this door we have a TV, our city water fill, outside patio. Nice long storage here. Again, rotocast, so you don't have to worry about water deteriorating it. So this little hookup here is for your outside grill. It comes off the LP tank. As we go around the back, so these rear doors lay down. Unfortunately, we have a coach behind us today. What's really cool about this is you can use it for a ramp to take your four-wheeler up into the back garage, or you can make it a patio with their surrounding fence. You know, when you have the patio out, you have a manual awning that can come over. So as we move around the side, these vents are because you have something, you might have something in the garage with fuel, so you want to make sure there's no fumes. Power cord along with the large rotocast storage bay. Sewer hose holder. That way you don't have to lay it in the bottom of the bay. City water, 110, exterior shower. We have our boiler hot water heater. So basically it's a tankless, so it makes endless hot water. And of course our front slide out, our refrigerator and the slide out. So let's go around to the inside. And of course here's the camera on the driver's side. So as we go inside, I think you really like the colors that Thor uses on these motorhomes. We'll start up here with the Ford driver passenger seats. These two will both rotate if you'd like to use these for seating up here. But as you can see, I've already got quite a bit of seating. This one here, this will pull out into jackknife. This one also pulls out in jackknife. You have storage underneath. I don't know if you can see back here. This is where we keep our 2 tables and our table legs for up here. So a lot of choices. And again, behind it, the one thing they gave us that we can never have too much of, they gave us more storage. Overheads. Of course, this area up here, some of us will use it for sleeping, and that's really what this is. So when you have children up here and sleeping, you can put this net up to the top. That way you don't have to worry about them falling out of bed. So this would just pull back into here, something like that. Lay down here, put the net up. TV is on a swing arm, can be brought all the way back around. Underneath this, so if you can see, we have the storage area, but we have some storage across the front. And it does have seat belts. Nice overhead. Again, these are Mcd Shades. One of the things they've added for our benefit is you can let go of them and just let them go up. Solar prep, galley. With 2 drawers plus a pull-out, plus additional galley space here. So these stairs are awful nice. Just the subtle lighting they give us for a night light. So this is a drawer, and this is a drawer. 3 burners, convection microwave, wardrobe, additional storage here. Then as we go in the back here, so we do have a TV, our own air conditioner back here. This is our queen bed. So our queen bed will go down so far that it's really only about 2 feet off the floor. So this would be your main sleeping area. Over here on this side, let's say you have a four-wheeler sitting here and your battery got low, these are charging ports, so you could jump your four-wheeler. It's a gasketed door so that when you shut it, there's no fumes. Next stop up is going to be our bathroom. Decent sized, large overhead. Here's our generator start, tank heaters, water pump, all our level indicators, our slide. This one has rapid camp, which means you can control your generator, your slide rooms, your leveling jacks, and your awnings with your remote. This one also has automatic jacks, so we could start it, push the button, and go down and level the coach. Yeah. And of course, our refrigerator with additional storage and our TV. So as you look around this coach, you can see very nice colors, tremendous amounts of sleeping room and storage room. So whether you're taking bicycles to the coast that you want to put in the garage and protect, whether you have a small four-wheeler, whatever it may be, this coach is available to meet a variety of needs in a short length, 29-footer. So please give us a call. This is Dennis.Girod with Guaranty RV. Looking forward to meeting you.